All right, welcome back, everybody. General Wade, what going?
Big up, big up, big up.
All is well?
Yeah, man, can't complain, We're here, we have life,
All right.
you know.
All right. Big up all the people that are joining us. Thank you for watching us. Remember, like and subscribe and help us get to 2,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We need less than 100. So just join the family. You know what I mean? All right. Track and field news to start with. We have some good news.
Yeah,
Sha'Carri
what up?
fans, Sha'Carri fans are gonna love this one. All right. So Sha'Carri is in line to be honored by a non-profit organization that's highlighting African American women. All right, African American women, key there, right? So
Yeah,
they'll be the name of the organization is the NIA Center. All right, they will unveil an art exhibit featuring 20 African American women at an annual event. The nonprofit is hosting its fourth annual My Story event that will showcase an exhibit by visual artist John McDonald. All right, so the concept behind the My Story exhibition is inspired by the movie Hidden Figures. You remember that one?
no,
I think that is the one with the NASA, the black women working at NASA,
Okay,
helping to crunch some numbers so the shuttle could have take off and all of them things. You know what I mean?
wasn't the Jamaican girl working on that?
I'm not sure,
No, no,
but
she was on the Mars rover.
okay. Well,
The
they're
same numbers thing, though.
But I can tell you that I have a cousin born in Jamaica that went to Immaculate that is now working at NASA. Danish
Cool.
McIntosh, big up yourself.
Big up, big
Former,
up, big up.
former Immaculate girl, athlete, former Jamaica netballer, long jumper, all of them things. Big up yourself, my cousin. All
Big
right.
up, big up, big up.
Now at NASA doing some big science business, so we never know how to pronounce. All right. All right. So we're honoring these black women. All right. So the hidden figures now is the concept behind it. So it's to give credit to black women who do not get credit for their work a lot of the time, or are not
Right,
appreciated for what they have achieved, or for their status in general. You know what I mean? Um, so they're saying we recognize in many instances the incredible achievements of African American women who are historically overlooked, unrecognized, or not celebrated. So McDonald now, who is the artist, he will feature 20 watercolor portraits of local, national, and international women such as Aretha Franklin, Simone Biles, and local community members in Grand Rapids such as Laura Moody, the vice president of the Grand Rapids Black Nurses Association, and Helen Claytor, the first black president of the YWCA. All right. So the 20 women who they'll be honoring, these are Amanda Gorman, National Youth Poet Laureate, who spoke at the 2021 inauguration of President Joe Biden. Everybody's supposed to remember that.
right,
She
yeah, man.
stole, yeah, she stole the
Stole the show,
inauguration. Yeah, man,
for sure.
big time. All right. Aretha Franklin, recording artist known internationally as the Queen of Soul. No debate there. All right. Representative Barbara Jordan, the first black woman elected to the Texas Senate after Reconstruction. All right, we have Breonna Taylor from BLM, icon for social justice. All right, Diana Durham, first black senior national gymnastics champion. All right, Dr. Rebecca Lee Crumpler, first black woman to become a doctor of medicine in the U.S. Hattie Beverly, first black school teacher in Grand Rapids. Um, Helen Claytor, first black president of the YWCA, which I mentioned before. Laura Moody, who helped found the Grand Rapids chapter of the Black Nurses Association. Mae Jamison, first black woman to travel into space. Marian Anderson, first black woman to perform at the Metropolitan Opera. Um, Marley Diaz, founder of 1000 Black Girls Books, a campaign to find 1000 books with black girls as the protagonists. All right. Misty Copeland, first black principal dancer in the American Ballet Theater. All right. Big up Misty. She's beautiful.
Big up.
All right. Rosalind Brewer, first black woman to lead a Fortune 500 company. All right. This is Walgreens. Serena Williams, Do I need
I
to
was
say anything?
waiting to hear that. I was wondering. I was here wondering because
Do I need to tell you what Serena does? Okay, we move on. All right. All right. Sha'Carri Richardson. We don't need to tell you what Sha'Carri does either. Sixth fastest woman of all time. All right. Representative Shirley Chisholm, first black woman elected to the U.S. Congress. All right. Big up Shirley Chisholm. Simone Biles, most decorated Olympic female gymnast in history and a
of
mental
all
health.
time.
Yes, and a mental health advocate, just as important. All right. Tarana Burke, founder of the Me Too movement. Don't play with Tarana around here. All right.
That's
Cassandra
exact.
Brown.
That's
Cassandra
exactly what you're
Brown Duckett.
saying.
Yeah, man. Second woman to lead a Fortune 500 company. All right. So if you want to find out more information, you can visit the NIA Center that NIACenterGR.org. All right. Congratulations to all these ladies. Well deserved. You know what I mean? Um,
For sure.
and I don't want anybody to take this out of context. This is not an award for athletes or athletics or anything like that. This is an award for African American women specifically. All
Of
right,
achieved.
who have achieved. So congratulations. It's a good thing. It's nice to see people being honored for their achievements, especially black women who are often overlooked. So Wade, we'll close with your thoughts.
No, well, my thoughts is on Shakari's, point of view, it's good. I think she needs something like this, you
Yeah,
know, um, because we need her. We need her as track and field fans. We need her to be pushing our Jamaican athletes to greater heights. As black people, we need her to achieve, just to show and inspire younger black children to reach for excellence. So this is a good award. I'm glad that she can be now amongst all these great black women, especially other champions like Serena, who has been through adversity, has gone through, being targeted by media and other people, and has come out on the other side. She can learn from her. So this is very good for
yeah,
Shakari.
yeah. Also, much appreciation to the NIA Center and the artist John McDonald. All right, big up on yourself. It's a
Big up.
initiative and keep it up. All right, guys, remember like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. All right.